In today's video, we're answering a simple but important question. What is Claude AI and what can it actually do? If you've been hearing about Claude and want a clear, beginner-friendly explanation, this video will help you understand it fast. Claude AI is an artificial intelligence assistant created by Anthropic, and it's designed to help with a wide range of everyday and professional tasks. It can understand and generate text, analyze documents and images, answer questions, help with writing, summarize PDFs, assist with coding, and even support research tasks. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AE tutorials. Alright, let's break it down. First, Claude is built to work like a smart assistant you can talk to in natural language. That means you do not need to know coding or advanced technical skills to use it. You can type a question, a request, or even upload content, and Claude can respond in a useful way. For example, if you want an explanation of a difficult topic, Claude can simplify it. If you want help writing something, Claude can draft it for you. If you want a document summarized, Claude can pull out the key points and save you time. One of the biggest strengths of Claude AI is answering questions and explaining concepts. You can ask it anything from basic definitions to more detailed explanations, and it will respond in a conversational way. This makes it great for learning, troubleshooting, or just getting a quick answer without having to search through multiple websites. It's especially useful when you want information broken down in a way that is easy to understand. Claude is also very helpful for summarizing PDFs and long documents. Instead of reading through pages and pages of text, you can use Claude to extract the main ideas, highlight important sections, and give you a shorter summary. This is useful for reports, study materials, meeting notes, contracts, research papers, and other long-form content. If you deal with a lot of reading, this feature alone can save a huge amount of time. Another major use case is writing. Claude can help you write emails, reports, essays, blog posts, social media captions, and many other types of content. You can give it a topic, a tone, or a goal, and it can generate a polished draft to work from. You can also ask it to rewrite text to make it clearer, more professional, shorter, or more engaging. This is why so many people use Claude as a writing partner. Claude can also generate and debug code. If you're a developer, beginner, or student, you can ask Claude to help write code snippets, explain what code does, or identify errors in your script. It can support common programming tasks and help you understand problems faster. While it's not a replacement for real testing, it can be a very useful assistant during development. Another useful feature is image analysis. Claude can analyze images, charts, and screenshots, which means you can upload visual content and ask questions about it. For example, you could use it to understand a chart, review a screenshot, or extract information from an image. This makes Claude more than just a text chatbot. It becomes a multimodal assistant that can work with different kinds of input. Claude is also helpful for research and brainstorming. If you need ideas for a project, content plan, business name, outline, or strategy, Claude can generate options quickly. If you need to research a topic, it can help organize information and point you in the right direction. It's a strong tool when you want to think through ideas faster and structure your work more efficiently. And finally, Claude can translate and rewrite text. If you need something in a different language or you want to change the tone and style of a sentence, Claude can help with that too. It can make text sound more formal, more friendly, more concise, or more natural depending on your goal. That makes it useful for both personal and professional communication. So, in simple terms, Claude AI is a powerful all-purpose AI assistant that can help with questions, writing, coding, document summaries, image analysis, research, and rewriting. Whether you're a student, creator, professional, or just curious about AI, Claude is designed to make everyday tasks easier and faster. If this video helped you understand what Claude AI is, please give it a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials, app guides, and beginner-friendly how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.